Yo, yo, what's up? I just want to make a video on coming into the dark matter world consciously, the melanin world consciously, coming into reality consciously, and the spiritual world in consciousness. What I've noticed is that I gotta start walking in my truth, speaking my truth, and manifesting my truth. Some people are gonna love me. Some people are gonna hate me. But don't underestimate me or underrate me. It can be hard out here. Waking up. Having a spiritual ascension and awakening. It can be hard. I'm taking baby steps though. I'm taking baby steps. Like gaining chi and spirit is infinite and eternal. And without it, you start to spiral down. And lately, I'm doing me. I'm doing me. I'm seeing things in my reality, like when I have a lot of thoughts in my head and stuff, I'm like, I don't really know how to put it out. Like people will be around me, I'd recognize that they're not on the same, they're not on the same wavelength as me. In terms of how I see things. And like, sometimes I want to say it. I want to say what is in my head to the people around me. I express truth. I express what I express. I express it to myself. I express it to my family. I express it to usually close people. But I haven't been opening up lately. I haven't been opening up to people when I know they want to, like, when I know they're wondering what's going on, because there's obviously something going on, right? Like they look at me and I know what they're thinking. They're thinking like, damn, like something's deep. Something is deep. Like something is deep. And it's like, something is deep. Whatever's going on with him, like, I'm curious and I kind of want to know. And it's like, I don't just want to, like, when I know that's what they're thinking, like, I'm thinking this, like, alright, I'm just gonna keep to myself. I'm gonna keep controlling my thoughts. Cause I'm an inwards and outward type of person. Sometimes I can be very quiet, I won't say anything. And sometimes I like to express myself. That's just how I am. But the kinds of things that I would say, the truth can hurt people, because there's so much mental blockages and programs that have been running that people, when they're curious to hear it, they might want to hear it, but then they don't want to hear it. Some people are like that. Some people are like that. It's like when I want to say, like, the reason why I'm the way I am, that I am all that I am, the reason why I am that way, the reason why I am who I am, there's reasons behind that. Because I'm living my truth and my purpose. And when I know something inside of me is telling me, just like, I just need to express myself. That's what's going on. Like, I just need to express myself more. Because I just need to express myself more. And that's how change will come. That's how change will come. And will be balanced. Some people won't like it. Some people will like it. You gotta just be strong enough, spiritually, mentally, and physically, where you can balance yourself out. Like when it's like, I'm not eating healthy because I think I'm better than you, or I'm better than you. I'm not in nature every day because I think I'm better than you doesn't make me better than you. I'm not eating. I already said that. I'm not activating my melanin because I think I'm better than you or I'm better than you. I'm not growing on my hair because I think I'm better than you. I do these spiritual things, learning about astral projection, astral projecting, manifesting, writing down things and manifest in my reality, dreaming, being connected to the spirit, being connected to spirits around me. Taking out the bad ones. And there ain't no religious shit. I'll be fucking up these demons. Real talk. It's like, I'm doing this for a reason. I'm doing this because I know it's right. I'm doing this because I know it's the truth. I'm doing this to be better me. Because I don't want to be one of those people who fit in. I just watched a Tupac interview, and he was saying some real shit. He was saying how, I think he said, fitting in is the curse, you know? Everyone, fitting in is the curse. I don't fit in. I don't fit in. I don't fit in. But I still fucks with people out here. Don't get me wrong. Still gotta stay connected to people out here. Do my thing out here. Get it done out here. Just be out here. But it's like, it's like really like there's levels to this. There's levels to this shit. There's levels to this shit. Like, if you're hungry for the truth, keep searching and finding the truth. The truth may hurt. But you don't want to be spiraling down. You don't want to be spiraling down. You want to be spiraling up.